Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Ayo. If you're new here, thank you for joining and subscribing. While I was recording the cooking process, this song Reckless Love kept coming to my mind, and all I can just say is thank you, Jesus, for the reckless love. Watch and join me as we cook this delicious recipe, pasta in mackerel sauce. In the hot boiling water, I put my spaghetti to cook, and then I blended my pepper roughly. And in the hot oil, I added my tomato to fry and allowed it to fry a little so that the aroma of the onion can turn into the oil. I added a bit of tomato paste. I allowed that to fry a little before adding my blended pepper, and that's so that the tomato is well cooked to a good extent. And then I'll be going in with my bouillon cubes and salt to taste. This is the mackerel I'll love to put in the sauce. I've deboned it, and that's me introducing it into the pepper. And the next thing I'll do is allow it cook, stir it together before adding the already boiled spaghetti. One thing I did was when the spaghetti was halfway cooked, I took it off the fire and then I had to put run cold water on it just to slow down the cooking process. And that's me stirring the um, spaghetti into the pepper sauce to ensure it's well incorporated. And once you see that your spaghetti is soft cooked and done, and good and ready to serve, we have this for lunch and my family did enjoy it. If you love this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and comment, and let me know what recipe you'd like to share with me in the next video. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. So we'll see you next time.